Which type of placenta is present in humans? Epitheliochoroid, endotheliochoroid, hemochorial. Sir, can you just lower down the slide?
Yeah. Can you see?
Syndesmochorial, hemiendothelial. Option C, hemochorial.
Yes, yes. We have discussed when we started the lecture at that time, discoid, hemochorial. Okay. So
Oh,
answer C, it is
yes,
a
sir.
hemochorial. In humans, the maternal blood comes into the direct contact with syncytial trophoblast. Classification is based on the maternal fetal intersurface. Endo Endotheliochorial is seen in horse, pig. Endotheliochorial is seen in dog, cat, and hemochorial is seen in human placenta. Okay. So you have got epitheliochorial and endotheliochorial. Epitheliochorial, they are not asked. Hemochorial, you just remember. Next question.
The human placenta is described as diffuse cotyledon discoid. Option C, discoid.
Correct. Discoid. Human placenta is disc-shaped, therefore called discoid placenta. Next question.
The principal fetal component of placenta develops from decidua basalis, chorion frondosum. Option B, sir, chorion
Correct. Correct. Chorion frondosum. Okay. So placenta develops from two sources: fetal part, chorion frondosum, and maternal part, decidua basalis. Next.
basalis. The maternal portion of placenta is derived from decidua basalis. Option C.
Yes, very good. So maternal contribution inverse decidua basalis and maternal blood is there in the intervillous spaces. So that is the maternal contribution. Next.
Stem villi develop approximately on day 11. Day
13.
13.
So day 11, it is the
Yes.
interstitial implantation is complete. Day 13, the stem villi develop, and day 21, the fetal circulation villi is established. Tertiary villi is at third week. Okay. Stem villi around 2 weeks, you remember. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next.
Arteriocapillary system of villi develops by fetal circulation. The tertiary villi, they are asking tertiary day 21.
Correct. Correct. Okay. So by 21st day, fetal capillaries develop inside the villi and connect with the embryonic circulation. Next.
Intervillous space primarily contains blood, maternal blood.
Yes. It is a maternal blood. Maternal blood enters through the spiral arterioles and passes the chorionic villi. Next.
Chorionic cleavage forms due to degeneration of villi in an embryonic pole. B.
Yes. Yes. It is the degeneration of the villi in the abembryonic pole. Okay. This abembryonic villi will regress. The chorion becomes smooth. Chorion will leave. Next.
Placental formation is completed by the D option, 12 weeks.
By 12 weeks, the placenta gets completely formed. Next.
Weight of placenta at term is 500 gram.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Placental to fetal weight ratio at term is 1:6, sir. Option D.
Correct.
Number of cotyledons in human placenta is 15 to 20. Option C.
Correct. Next.
Meterbox layer represents a zone of fibrinoid degeneration. Option B.
Correct. So it is located between the cytotropoblastic shell and the decidua basalis. The defective formation will lead to the placenta accreta spectrum. Okay. So as you know, you will grow from part 1 to part 2 to part 3, then your placenta accreta, that will more predominant. Now they are concentrating on the pathophysiology of these particular conditions. Okay. So questions are little basic. Next.
Functional unit of placenta is a cotyledon. Option B.
Cotyledon is the functional unit. Next.
Placental excitotomy total surface area available for placental exchange is approximately option D, 10 to 14 meters square.
Correct.
Hubble cells are placental macrophages, option C.
Yes, everything we have covered in the lecture. So
Yes.
placental macrophages, they are Hubble cells located in the villus stroma and involved in the immune regulation and phagocytosis.
Glucose crosses the placenta via facilitated diffusion, GLUT1, option C.
Yes. Next.
Amino acid transfer, amino acids crosses placenta by active transport, option C.
Good.
Immunoglobulin transfers by option C, endocytosis and exocytosis.
Correct.
Oxygen transfers by simple diffusion, option C.
Correct. Next.
Substance less likely
Which hormone
to
does not
cross
cross
with
the plus?
parathyroid, option D, parathyroid hormone, and also calcitonin.
Which hormone does not cross the placenta? Parathyroid
Parathyroid
hormone. Next.
calcitonin. A placental barrier rule. Placental barrier usually restricts molecules larger than 1,000.
It's 500 Daltons.
500.
Okay. Next.
Spiral artery remodeling. Conversion of spiral arteries into low resistant vessels is mediated by interaction between decidual natural killer cells and extravillous trophoblast, option B.
These are the decidual natural killer cells and the extravillous trophoblast. Okay, that will lead to the remodeling. Next.
Pregnancy is associated with shift from TH1 to TH2, option B.
Correct.
Option
Okay.
B.
These are all SBAs which are asked, okay, frequently. Okay.
Placental enzyme that degrades oxytocin is oxytocinase, option C.
Correct. Next.
During placental development, cytotrophoblast cells fuses to form which structure? Cytotrophoblast cells fuses to form which structure? Option A, primary chorionic villi. Option B, syncytial trophoblast. Option C, extraembryonic mesoderm. No. Option D, chorionic plate. Option E, decidual cells. Cytotrophoblast. Chorionic plate, sir.
Option B, cytotrophoblast cells proliferate and fuse to form syncytial trophoblast, the invasive multinucleated layer responsible for implantation and hormone secretion. So the cytotrophoblast gets divided into two, cytotrophoblast and the syncytial trophoblast. And there is a different nature of this trophoblast. The cells are also different. The syncytial trophoblast will be multinucleated cells. Next.
The first fetal blood vessels appear during formation of tertiary villi. Option C.
Yeah. Is tertiary villi. Okay, primary trophoblast only. Then we have got a mesoderm core. Okay, then we have got a tertiary with a fetal capillaries.
The placenta of humans is classified as hemochorial because maternal blood directly contacts trophoblast. Chorion invades maternal arteries. Maternal vessels ruptures during implantation. Deciduum basalis disappears. Endometrial epithelium persists. Maternal blood directly contacts with trophoblast.
Okay, so in hemochorial placenta, maternal blood directly bathes chorionic villi. Next.
Which placental membrane layer disappears late in pregnancy to reduce diffusion distance? Syncytious option E, basal amines.
Option D. Which placental membrane layer disappears late in the it is a cytotrophoblast layer becomes discontinuous as pregnancy progresses, thinning the placental barrier. It is cytotrophoblast which becomes thin. Okay, next.
Which hormone is primarily secreted by syncytial trophoblast in pregnancy? HCG. Option B.
Correct. SCG. SCG secretion maintains the corpus luteum during early pregnancy. Next.
Which maternal artery supplies the intervillous space? Spiral artery. Option E.
Yes. This is spiral arteries discharge maternal blood into the intervillous space. Next.
Which villi anchor the placenta to decidua basalis? Anchoring villi. Option C.
Yes. Anchoring will attach placenta to the decidua via cytotropoblastic shell. Next.
The cytotrophoblastic shell forms during development of floating villi, anchoring villi, primary villi, chorionic plate, amnion. Trophoblast shell forms during development of anchoring villi. Option B.
So anchoring will extend into the decidua and form the cytotropoblastic cell.
Which placental structure forms the fetal component of placenta? Chorion puntosum. B.
Yes. And the placental component is decidua basalis. Okay. Next.
Which placental type is seen in humans among eutherian mammals? Option D. Discoid. Which type of placentation involves chorionic villi covering the entire chorion? Which type of placentation involves chorionic villi covering the entire chorion?
Does it happen in the human being? Chorionic villi covering the entire chorion?
No.
It's not there, no?
Yeah, no.
Option C. What is option C? Diffuse. Diffuse. Diffuse placenta occurs in horses and pigs. Next.
In human placenta, the maternal fetal barrier includes all except syncytial trophoblast, cytotrophoblast, fetal endothelium, decidual epithelium, villus connective tissue. Option C, fetal endothelium.
Maternal fetal barrier includes all.
Maternal syncytial cytotrophoblast.
Is decidual epithelium because that will not come into the as a barrier, no? So these are all the parts of the villus, syncytial, cytotrophoblast. Okay, so that will not be this decidual epithelium will not be. This is not a part of placental barrier. Next.
Yes.
Next. Hello.
Placental septa arises from chorionic plate, cytotrophoblastic cell, decidua basalis, syncytial trophoblast, amnion. Placental septa arises from chorionic plate. Decidua basalis.
Yeah. Decidua basalis. Placental septa project from decidua basalis and divide the placenta into cotyloids. These are the septas. Yeah. Next.
Each placental cotyledon contains approximately 5 to 10 stem villi.
20 to 30 villi. Each cotyledon contains around 20 to 30 villus trees. Next.
Failure of spiral artery remodeling leads to preeclampsia. Option C.
Correct. So Kruger trophoblastic invasion, high resistance uteroplacental circulation leading to preeclampsia.
Which trophoblast subtype invades maternal spiral artery? Syncytial which trophoblast subtype invades maternal spiral? Extravillous trophoblast. Option B.
Which trophoblast subtype? It is a extravillous trophoblast will cause remodeling of the spiral arteries. Next.
The chorionic plate is derived from trophoblast plus extraembryonic mesoderm. Deciduous option A, sir. Chorionic plate is derived from trophoblast and extraembryonic mesoderm.
Yes, it is a trophoblast plus extraembryonic mesoderm. Next.
Which feature distinguishes hemochorial placenta from endothelial placenta? Maternal blood directly contacts trophoblast. Option A only, sir.
Yeah. Last.
Placental classification near term is usually associated with placental maturation, infection, placental insufficiency, trophoblastic disease, maternal anemia. Placental maturation.
Yeah, placental classification often reflects the normal placental aging. Okay, so that finishes today's embryology. So we have finished